Okay, now I'm gonna reset the light. Has to be a neutral. Hold two buttons, press on the same time to go to the home menu. Okay. Now the select. To the bottom, the reset, click. Now go to one time select. See, we got 4,000 miles before. Now hold the reset button. And that's it. One time. Boom, 0. That's the front tire, 4,000 miles has, and the rear tire, 2,500. Now select button one time. The reset. One time select and reset. That's it. Now it has 29,903. I got this bike since it got 1 mile. I buy brand new. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Thanks.